The Food Service Exchange presents.
Congratulations! You've now purchased your new small appliance ventless hood system, and now you want to install it. We're going to show you how easy it is to install your new small appliance ventless hood system. First, you need to take it out of the 3-foot square box that it comes in, making sure to remove all of the packaging materials. And then you want to place it on the countertop in its approximate location. Now you will notice that there is a package strapped to the equipment platform. This is your grease filter, and it must be in place for the small appliance ventless hood system to work. In fact, all of the filters must be in place for the system to work, but 2 come already installed from the factory. So first, you need to unpackage the filter. And rest it on the equipment platform. Then, turning the thumb screws counterclockwise, we want to remove the front panel. Now you will note that here is your activated carbon filter, which is already installed. Here is the electrostatically charged particulate filter, again already installed. And now we're going to install our grease filter. Please note that on one side of the grease filter, top and bottom, there are little holes, and on the other side there are not. So the side with the holes must be installed towards the inside of the small appliance ventless hood system. Here is the grease filter frame where it will be installed. Keep in mind that each filter has a switch that is activated by placing the filters in place. So when you install the grease filter, it must be resting on the switch, which is located on the upper part of the grease filter inside the hood. But it's a very simple operation. It's nicely installed. Now we need to take the front panel. The bottom edge is installed first. And then we are going to turn the thumb screws clockwise to lock the panel in place. Now the front panel is back in place. We have now positioned our appliance on the equipment platform, and now we need to plug in our ventless hood system into a normal 120 volt outlet. And our hood is ready to operate, to take care of all grease-laden vapor coming from the appliances. Thank you for purchasing the small appliance ventless hood system.